Hello, this is John Rocky. I'm going to talk you through Standard 1.1, give you some research, and then I will talk to you about the assignment for this week. Elcc 1.1, candidates understand and can collaboratively develop, articulate, implement, and store a shared district vision of learning for a school district. Some research: districts are more successful when a broadly shared vision and mission exist and both are used to guide district decisions. District leaders are responsible for setting an improvement agenda and supporting change at the school level. The process of establishing the vision and building consensus through the process is more important than the wording of the vision itself. Trust among district leaders, school personnel, and the larger community is a required variable in shared visioning, school improvement, and educators' acceptance of desired outcomes. The superintendent's role involves designing, implementing, and supporting the district vision and mission. Effective superintendents communicate the vision and mission to multiple constituencies and enact both by establishing procedures that keep the district vision alive across the district and within individual schools. In order to complete this week's task on Elcc 1.1, you will need to review the rubric, which has been posted in Blackboard. You will need to review Task 4, which is posted in Blackboard, and also I will go through in the next slide. You will need to read the assigned text. You will need to complete the task and then submit the assignment through Blackboard. And we will talk you through how to submit the assignment in Blackboard. Project Task Set B, Task 4, Elcc 1.1. You need to design and defend an evidence-centered, research-based collaborative process to develop a district vision. In other words, create a vision through an evidence research-based process. You need to draft and defend a hypothetical shared district vision. So create a district vision. You need to develop and defend a plan for communicating the vision to all stakeholders. And you also need to formulate and defend a plan for stewarding or implementing the vision across the district.
Hi, this is Dr. Chapelier. I just want to provide a little bit of a look at how you will be submitting your assignments throughout the course. And so when you're doing your tasks, we've got those set up as assignments in the Blackboard module. And I'm going to show you in week 6 learning session what that might look like. But this will apply to all 6 weeks of the learning sessions. So I go to week 6, and I'm going to go ahead and click our edit mode off. And so when I go to week 6, you can see here that here's the week 6 project task set A, task 1, and then the standard that corresponds to. So when I click on that folder, it's going to open up. You're going to see the rubric, which will be, which is not the correct rubric at this time, but that'll be the rubric that you will want to look at. And then you'll see here are the 3 tasks for week 6. And so I'm going to show you 2 different ways that can be used to submit assignments. In task 1A, you'll actually just write and submit your 3 issues right in the assignment module. So when I click on this assignment module, you're going to see that it pops up. I can add comments. I can hit write my submission. So I'm going to hit write submission. It opens up a dialog box, and I'm going to put item 1, item 2, item 3, and then I can come down here, hit any comments if you want to select a comment or submit a comment, and then click submit. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And then a lot of the times, most of the times, you're going to be attaching a file. So I would hit, browse my computer, and then that would open up, your folder system so that you could select whatever, whatever file you wanted to submit. So just like you're attaching a file to an email, hit submit. We'll receive that file, and then we'll be able to grade it, and we'll also be able to save it in your, we are keeping a folder for each of you for all these tasks so that we can submit these to the university when you're done for each task that you've submitted. So if you have any questions on that, please email Mr. Rocky or myself, and we can ask that. But it's really very simple, but we just wanted to make sure you understood that. Each task will have a different point value assigned to it, and we will use the rubric to derive those point values. So once again, if you have any questions, contact us. Good luck on these. These are a lot of work, but I think they'll go far in developing your professional knowledge of the superintendency.